This is Jack from No Code MBA. Now, today we're going to look at 3 case studies, 3 businesses that have used no-code tools, and specifically Zapier. So we're going to highlight the importance of using Zapier for most businesses when they build something using no-code tools. Now, if you don't know what Zapier is, let's just talk about that real quickly. It's their tagline here: scale success with automation, build automated workflows customized for your role and business. It's a very popular tool that people have been using for a number of years now. I've used it in my various businesses and also a no-code MBA. And just basically you can create workflows that connect one app to another and so on and so on. So if this happens, and you can say, do this. For example, if we just click on Slack and the integrations involved there, we can pair with these different apps straight away. They also have templates for you as well, where you can integrate Slack with Zapier. So, example, send Slack messages whenever Google Sheets rows are updated. Share Google Form responses in a Slack channel. Those types of things, we can just connect all these different apps together when they don't have those native integrations. Now, on your screen now, you can see the different types of case studies that we've done. So we've interviewed people from various companies who've built using no-code tools. I just wanted to highlight this and leave a link in the description if you want to take some time to read through these different businesses. But the 3 we're going to focus on today are Lead Cookie, Cashflow Podcasting, and Scribly. Now, these 3 businesses again have talked about how they use Zapier. We'll just go through each one as they come. So actually, let's start with Scribly here. Now, we've actually done a case study on this, a full case study, if you want to read about it. But this is a content marketing agency that, as you can see, drives sales. Now, they lay it out really well here when they're talking about how they use Scribly and the tools that they use. And if I just do Control Find and do Zapier, you can see they mention it a few times here. So in a nutshell, it's powered by Airtable, Webflow, Google Docs, SPP, and Zapier. Now, as you read through this, and I'm not going to go through it all, but basically a few things happen when someone comes to the website and goes through the process. For example, when somebody submits a brief, then the account manager will move each brief into Airtable, and the notification is sent out using Zapier. And another one here, a new task is created in Airtable. A Google Doc is automatically created with the right permissions set, which is done again using Zapier. So we can see here how Zapier is like this middleman that talks between the different apps, and it allows you to automate apps based on if something happens, then this happens. So this content marketing agency uses Zapier to just automate the different tasks when it goes through the workflow. And once they have this workflow set up in a way that's working perfectly, then it just makes things seamless. So it doesn't mean it takes away lots of communication and notifications, etc. It's just all done automatically. Now, staying on the lead generation, the marketing side of things, we're also going to talk about Lead Cookie, which is a business-to-business outbound marketing service, lead generation agency. And again, just highlighting Zapier in the interview here, asking about which no-code tools they use, using Airtable, Trello, Asana, and Zapier. Now they say this: we have become masters of Zapier at our company and accomplish a ton without writing any code. So again, it means that you don't have to write code if you use tools like Zapier to automate tasks. And the bottom line for them is this: Zapier connects everything together to help us more efficient. So they use Zapier just to connect everything together when it comes to running the business. Now, the final one we want to highlight is Cashflow Podcasting. And again, we've made a full case study on this, but they help people produce, grow, and set up podcasts. It's a really good story, this one as well. Now, this one goes into more depth when it comes to Zapier. I'm not going to go into all of this again, but basically it's saying when someone books a sale conversation on the form, so they have an intake form on the platform, on the website, through Zapier, it links to Calendly. So it automatically creates that sales call on Calendly. And then it gets added to the Streak box, and the Streak is a CRM that they use to track all their prospects. And then Streak then takes it on from elsewhere. So already we can see that Zapier is being used quite heavily in the beginning. Now, when he talks about this, when they're creating their sales script, they use Zapier to automatically create that integration too. Then as a follow-up, if somebody doesn't go with the first one, the first sales call, Zapier adds them to a new contact in the Infusionsoft account. So you can see again, just the different processes that people use in their businesses, people using Zapier just to connect everything together. So those are the 3 case studies that we wanted to highlight today. I also wanted to just highlight another one here where Lulu by Andrew Davison uses Zapier to help other businesses create automations. So they actually focus on, that's their business. We create automations using Zapier. Again, I'll leave a link to that case study if you're interested in taking this tool further and monetizing it through creating your own zaps and automations. So if you found this useful, then please like and share the video. Be sure to check out the description because we have a free guide to no-code tools for you. We have courses so that you can build your own apps using tools such as Bubble, Webflow, etc., Glide. It goes on and on and on. And if you want to stay on YouTube, then be sure to check out some of the other videos that we've made. We have a bunch of them that talk about no-code tools. We have them on Bubble, on Webflow, and we have more case studies as well. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.